Oh, girls, it's time to go to the beach. What? We're going to the beach? Ice, get up, get up, get up. What, we're going to the beach? Oh, yeah, this is so awesome. That's right, Glitter Girl fans. We're going to the beach with these two LOL dolls. Let's go. All right, Ice, time to put on your sunscreen. I'm definitely not risking getting sunburnt. These two girls are definitely right. They definitely would have put on sunscreen, so I've got some sunscreen, and I think Tinz is going to go first. All right, Tinz, are you ready? Of course. And we're going to blow some sunscreen on her. Psst, 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 psst. All right, Ice, you're next, so come lay down on the table, and we are going to spray some sunscreen on you. Psst, 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 psst.
Ah, look, Tinz, look, there's the ocean. It's so beautiful. Let's go play. This is so fun. Here comes a big wave. Woo! Here I am. Let's play. It's so fun. Look at the waves. They're just so big. Whoa! Tinz, what are you looking at? I'm looking at this great sandcastle making sand. Let's go make a sandcastle. Well, our sandcastle isn't the greatest, but it's okay. Woo! It feels so good to relax. I might go play in the water. No, the wave is going away. This is awesome! Woo! Woo!
Oh! Oh no. Oh no.
Thanks, Glitter Girl, for saving me. I almost got swept away by the wave. No problem. It was so fun playing at the beach. See you later. Glitter Girl, after a long day at the beach, I think I need to jump in the pool. Same here. Woohoo! Yeah, I can't wait to go swimming. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, I'm gonna do a big flip. Here I go. Woo! Nice jump, Ice. 1, 2, 3. Good job. I love playing in the pool. This is so fun. Tinz, what are you doing? I'm just kind of swimming. Come on, we're gonna get out of the pool. Is it the second time you need rescuing, Tinz, from going in the skimmer? Yes, it is, Glitter Girl. Thank you so much. Tinz. Are you okay? Yeah, that's the second time I needed rescuing, and it was a little scary, but still. We had so much fun at the beach. Thanks for being with us, guys. See you next time on Glitter Girl.